On September 18, 2025, Aurora police responded to a 911 call from a teenager who claimed he was armed with a handgun and intended to fire at officers. Minutes later, officers encountered the suspect at a gas station where the situation quickly escalated into a fatal confrontation.
911, what's the address of the emergency?
290 South Havana Street, Aurora, Colorado.
Thank you. Is that a house, apartment, or business?
It's a business, a 7-Eleven, I think.
Okay. Thank you. And what's your phone number in case we get disconnected?
I have no idea. I'm sorry. I'm using a payphone.
Okay. No, you're okay. What's your name? Thank you. And tell me exactly what happened.
I'm actually in here with a 9mm pistol. I'm about to shoot the place up, and I think the cops need to come here right away.
I have you exit the building?
No, I'm going to stay in here. That's
okay. Is there a reason why you want to do this?
Honestly, I'm waiting for the cops to show up so I can just shoot at them.
Was there anything that led you to this place today? Anything going on?
No, not really. I'm just tired of the cops.
What's your date of birth? Okay. Thank you. Did you come in a car or did you come on foot?
No, I walked.
You walked. Okay. Thank you. And then, can I just get a description of you for the officers?
Yeah, I got some red socks on, brown pants, and a Motley Crue sweatshirt.
What race are you? Thank you.
Yes, that's correct.
Where's the gun right now?
In my left pocket.
Your left pocket. Inside your sweatshirt. Okay. Thank you. Have you approached anybody in the store at all?
Just asked for the address and a phone. That's about it.
Does anybody know that you went there with those intentions today? And I'm sorry, what kind of gun did you have again? Was that a .45 you said?
A 9mm?
9mm, okay. Is the gun loaded?
Yes.
It is. Oh. Were any shots fired?
No, not yet.
Does anyone need any medical attention right now?
No.
No. Okay. I'm going to stay on the line with you until they get there. I really don't want you to do anything to hurt anybody else. Is there, I know you said earlier that there's nothing that led you to this. Was it just a decision you decided to make?
Yeah, I'm just tired of the cops, miss.
Did you have like an experience with officers that made this happen?
My mom was killed.
Your mom. Oh, I'm very sorry to hear that. What's your mom's name? Was this recent?
5 or 6 years ago. Yes, ma'am.
I'm very sorry to hear that. Did that happen here in Aurora?
No, California.
California. Okay. Are you from Aurora?
No, California.
Okay. How long have you been in Aurora for?
5 or 6 months.
5. Oh. Did you move out here by yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
You did. Okay. Do you have any sort of roommates or anybody like that?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Do you mind me asking where you live or what your address is?
I'm at a treatment facility currently. I ran.
You did. Okay. Was that treatment facility in Aurora?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Were you going to school at all?
No, ma'am.
No. Were you going to school back in California before you came out here?
I haven't been in school in a while, miss.
You haven't? Okay. Thank you. And then I just want to check in with you. Where's the gun right now? Is it still in your pocket?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. And I just want you to stay on the line with me, okay? I don't want you to do anything. If you feel like you're getting ready to do anything, or if you don't like the questions I have or I'm moving too far, you just let me know, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
When did you leave the facility?
Hello?
Hi, this is Aurora Police and Fire Dispatch. I was just on the line with a young man. Is he still in the store, do you know?
No, he just walked out. Is everything okay?
We have officers in route right now. Did you see what direction he walked to?
He was walking, when he walked out, I think he was walking left, upwards towards Alameda, but I wasn't really paying attention.
Oh, okay. Are you able to lock the store doors until officers get there?
Yeah, I don't have change. Is everything okay?
I'll have officers let you know what's going on once they get there. Just at this time, since he's out of the store, if you just want to lock.
Is he the danger, or?
At this time, we're not 100% sure. I just don't have that information, unfortunately. But just to be safe.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get this last person out. And then I'm gonna call. Should I just call my manager or?
I just want to confirm real quick. Did you see any weapons at all on him?
No. You said 2?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And then what's your name,
No.
sir?
My name and unlock the door.
Okay. And did he threaten you at all, or anybody else in the store when you were in there?
No, ma'am. He just said, "Hey, what's the address to this place?" He's sitting outside.
You said, okay.
Yeah, I see him. He's sitting right there in the front.
Does he have anything out, or do you see anything on him?
He said, "Do I see it what?"
Do you see anything in his hands, or does he have anything on him, as far as you can see?
No, ma'am. Not that I can see.
Okay. We have officers. They should be arriving right now. I can't give you full
I think they're here. There's officers right now.
You see the officer?
believe.
Oh, okay, yeah. Okay, that should be them right there. I'm going to let you go.
Yeah.
In terms of calling you like your manager, if that's your protocol,
He's right over here.
I'll let you go. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
You right here?
Yes, sir. All right, thank you.
Okay, just be advised that Circuit Court stated no weapons seized. Okay, first I went out and warrant, are we supposed to be using an RTV? Confirming no threats made to the store clerk.
Did you say suspect is not southbound Alameda? Or southbound from Alameda?
Yeah, walking towards Alameda from the Conoco.
Okay, we're watching somebody who's sitting outside the Conoco. He vaguely matches the description and just keeps putting his hand in his pocket.
You see if I can get clerk to verify that, sir.
Yeah, clerk says he's sitting outside front.
He's hiding something and he's from the south side of the building.
Yep, run up to you now. Hold on. Where do you want to go? Car or building? Okay. Car that just pulled up. We're using this brick building is covered right here.
He's right here. I'm going to do announcements. Let me know when you're ready, okay?
Hold on. We don't have a good spot here. Mine. No, Denkins.
I have eyes.
Okay.
You don't approach the north and stand through the back.
Yeah. We're going to go around to the north. George, are you good there if we go around here? Hey, let's go this way. If George is good there. George, we're going to approach north to south on the west side of the building.
Hey! Come here. Move.
We're on the northwest corner.
Ready? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, rifle, I'll do commands on you. Yep. No.
Hey, hands!
Show us your hands! Show us your hands! Now! Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Hey! You have 5 shots fired. Let's put these down. I got hands. Give me hands. I got hands. Alright, where's holding? Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Just 3 knots. North side. Got you. I got you. Someone go get a med kit. Someone grab a med kit.
Okay.
What do you need?
Hold this. Dear, you're with me. You're with me.
Cool. Let me grab my 40.
Nope, just here, over here. Let's
Okay.
go. You're
Hey,
good.
Bob. I put the 40 in the back of the car. Hip.
Okay.
Hip.
Stay right here. Right here. We're good. Just get crime scene tape. Hey, crime scene tape. I don't have tape. John, I don't have tape. I got it.
Go. Are you okay if I get Ferris to take me to headquarters?
I'll stay with you, okay?
Okay.
I'll take you to headquarters and move you, okay?
I know. Can I go with him? No offense.
No, that's fine.
Okay. Oh, he's got to go anyway. So do you. We all got to go to headquarters. We got to be separated though.
Oh, yeah.
The Aurora Police Department later confirmed the suspect was a 17-year-old male who had called 911 moments before the confrontation. The case remains under investigation by the 18th Judicial District Attorney's Office. If you found this breakdown informative, consider subscribing for more verified law enforcement footage and detailed case analyses. Your support helps us bring transparency to real-world incidents like this one.